Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Part A, real GDP in year 2 is nominal GDP divided by the deflator times 100. Real GDP from 800,000 in year 1 to 900,000 in year 2 raises the transaction's demand for money. Part C, the standard of living or real GDP per capita fell. In year 1, 800,000 over 1,000 equals 800. Part D, the inflation rate is the percent change in the deflator. 115 minus 100 over 100 times 100 equals 15%. Part E. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.